welcome back. In today's episode, we'll be talking about data logging. But before we start, let's set some context. Rohan, so you've been working with a lot of customers, and we have been hearing that, compliance, regulatory compliance in particular, is a huge issue when it comes to BVLOS dog drone operations. What do you think about it, your comment?
I have been particularly working with customers across Europe, and I think indeed BB loss has been one of the major concerns.
That being it, I think Flightbase has been working a lot in that direction, and we have identified that flight data is the backbone of compliance. But when you think about it, records are scattered all across different apps, and keeping track of it quickly becomes complicated. Most operators juggle between ground control softwares, their pilot apps, spreadsheets, just to stay compliant. It's manual, messy, time consuming, leaving less time to focus on the actual operations. So, what's it that they've done this time?
With the help of Flightbase Flinks, you can now integrate with data logging apps such as AirData and Fly Freely. And not just that, you can also automatically sync all of your flight records with these apps, which means you have consolidated pilot records at one place, device statistics across dock and non-dock drone operations, regulatory ready reports, and a unified repository of flight plans for your team. And here's how it works. Flightbase generates a standard Bitmap file post every flight operation. That file automatically syncs with apps like AirData or Fly Freely.
That's great. So people, if they're already using AirData or Fly Freely, it's like an additional advantage to them. Like if they're using Flightbase and also AirData or Fly Freely, it's like a lot of things coming together and then doing a complete compliant operation altogether. And this also means that no more exports and no more manual uploads, right?
That's exactly correct. So within seconds, pilot records, fleet data, and compliance reports can exactly be there where they belong and into one unified system. This means less time juggling and more time running safe and compliant operations.
Yes, and to enable this flight data logging link, Roman, how do they do it?
Please feel free to reach out to us at support@flightbase.com or drop us a DM.